Hello everyone, I'm Audrey Jacqueline. Today I will show you some things about the faculties at the Universitas Kristen Indonesia. I will talk about what's available there and the unique characteristic of each faculty. So, UKI has many faculties you can learn about. There are 8 faculties, but in this video, I will only introduce 3 faculties: the Faculty of Law, the Faculty of Social and Political Sciences, and the Faculty of Letters and Languages. The first faculty we're going to take a look at is the Faculty of Letters and Languages. Within this faculty, there are several rooms available for students to use. These include the self-access room, a space for gathering and discussion, followed by the culture corner, which is used for extracurricular activities such as band practice. Next, there is a computer lab that is typically used for classes from the 3 study programs under the faculty. There is also a mini library that offers a variety of books that students can borrow. In addition to this, there are several bulletin boards displayed along the faculty's corridor. The second faculty we're going to explore is the Faculty of Law. Within this faculty, there are several unique rooms, including a mock courtroom. So, this room is used by law students who usually want to practice in a courtroom setting. This faculty also has a discussion and debate room as well as a laboratory. The laboratory is commonly used for small meetings or a small competition held by the law students. And the last faculty is the Faculty of Social and Political Sciences. This faculty also has several rooms that we can see. Moreover, it has 2 floors that include many rooms for students to use. Now we are looking at the Faculty of Social and Political Sciences Laboratory. The use of this laboratory is for news broadcasting and audio project because there are rooms that are marked with specific uses. I think that's more or less the explanation of the 3 faculties that can be seen. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.